Next topic we are going to see is data control language, which allow the data control language are the SQL commands which are used to give the security for the database. That is, give the controlling the user's account, allow the user to give the permission to create a table, to list the data in the table, or view the documents in the table. View the reports in the database. So here two commands, that is grant and revoke, are the commands which are used to give security for the database objects like table, view and stored procedures. So here grant is a command which is used to give permission. Grant, in leave letter and all you write, no, grant me a leave for. So give, allow permission. So give the permission to the user on a specific database object to create a table or to view the reports. So grant is a command which is used to give permission to the specified users. And then revoke. What is the purpose of revoke? Now take out the permission. What are all the permission we are giving to the specific users? We are just take out the permissions. We have to use the revoke command. Next topic we are going to see is basic SQL commands. So here yesterday itself we had seen about how to create a database with the help of create database command. Create database, then database name we have to specify. And here another command we are going to see is show database. So this command is used to list what are all the databases we are creating under MySQL. So here in your example they had create database student DB. So what is the database name? Student DB. First you have to create the database. After creating the database we have to activate the database. So we have to activate the database with the help of use command. So use school DB you have to use. And then next command we are seeing is the drop database. Yesterday what is the purpose of drop database? Which is used to delete the database. So remove any of the existing SQL database. So already presented databases will get removed from the SQL directory with the help of drop database command. So here drop database, and then you have to specify the database name. So drop database student DB. We have deleted the database, that is what we have created. And then use database. Use database is a command which is used to activate the particular database. So according to the lot of databases, we are selecting the particular database or activating the particular database with the help of use command. Then next topic we are going to how to insert a record. Insert a record with the help of insert into command. So the syntax is insert into table name and the columns values set of columns. We no need to specify the columns. We can just specify insert into table name values. So in your example you can see this is syntax of 2 is insert into table name values set of values. Two method also we can insert a record into the table. So in below they had given an example. See here, insert into biodata is a table first with the fields first name, last name and the age, and the values Krishna, Sham, 10. This is one method to insert a record into the database. And then insert into biodata. So here insert into biodata values Krishna, Sam, 10. And here this is also another method to insert a record to the table. And then next heading is select record. What is the purpose of select command? Which is used to retrieve the data from the table. So here the syntax is select asterisk from the table. So what is the asterisk here represents all record and all column in the table got displayed. So select star from the biodata. Here after executing the command select star from biodata, all the records in the table got displayed. So here 4 records in the table got displayed. here within the 3 column, after we are giving select first name and age from biodata, only those 2 columns of our entire record got displayed. And the next command we had seen is deleting the record. Yesterday itself these commands I have taught you, so we are just recalling what are the commands we are studied. So how to delete a record? With the help of delete command. So here delete from table name. We can specify so that all the record, entire record in the table got deleted by using delete from table name. Here they had given where they had used where class. So what is the purpose of where class? Which is used to specify the selection from by using some conditions. We are selecting particular records. So where class, with the help of where class. After where we must use the condition. Column name equal to value. So in our example, delete from biodata where first name equal to money. So first name, those record which has the value money as first name got deleted in the biodata table after executing this command. So yesterday itself we had seen just as representing delete from biodata, which is used to delete all the record from the biodata. And then next modifying the record. So what is the purpose of modifying? With the help of update command. So the syntax is update table name, set column equal to new value, where column equal to another value. And in the last example you had seen, no, we had changed the first name Revati into Mini in the last table. That is what you had seen. So here in our example, update biodata, that is table name, set. No need to, don't forget to put the command set. Update biodata, set age equal to 13. To which record you have to set age equal to 13? Where the first name equal to Krishna. So in our table here, first name equal to Krishna. So in that record we have to set age as 13. So after executing this command in the table, those data got updated. Next topic we are going to see is where class. Where class already we had seen about, which is used to display or received or modified the data. That is what particular data in a particular record which satisfy the given condition. So after using the where class, we must use the condition, and the conditions are specified with the help of the operators. So what are all the operators we can use with the where class? Means arithmetic operator, comparison and logical operator. So first arithmetic operator na addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Comparison equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And then logical operator, you know about it. And what is the purpose of and command? While you are using two commands, while two commands return true, then the output will be true. That is what you have studied in JavaScript. And operator, the same purpose. So we can see all these commands with the example.